I got the chance to meet UFC legend Max Holloway, and what started as a quick conversation turned into a big trade that you definitely don't want to miss. Throughout the day, we also got to meet a bunch of you at the booth, talk cards, and keep the energy high with some solid coin flips mixed in. Between the trades, the flips, and running into some unforgettable people, this one turned into a really fun day. So stick around to see it all played out. And
it's okay. What's up, bro? How you doing?
Hey, thanks for working on my son.
Of course, he was really nice. Got him a Zard. He liked the Zard.
Yeah, I know.
You probably hear this a lot. I'm a huge fan.
Thank you.
Max Holloway, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I do YouTube and Instagram and stuff. Yeah. This one's 240. So these were like, they made a bunch of different languages. I'm only missing like, so that one is
French.
Yeah, French. It literally says like has a language, like in different languages.
I have 6 of those.
I like the German one of those, really cool.
I hate that card.
German one is pretty sick.
The artwork's sick.
Yeah, the artwork. You already got one like that. You get tons of trouble.
They're all cool. That one's pretty liquid.
What's this
If you see anything you like, let me know, bro.
How much something like this go for?
That one? Let me check. These all range from like 300 to 800, but that one's really adorable. I like that one a lot. This is my fiance, by the way. She's Monica. She's from Colombia.
Oh, yeah.
You want to see this one, you said?
Yes.
Max, did you want to see this one too, you said?
Up to her, whatever one she wants. You want to look at it?
It's kind of like the Antelope Canyon or Grand Canyon kind of vibe. Sure. I saw you got the McDonald's Squirtle.
Oh yeah.
That was sick.
Had a swirl. They were like, oh.
Yeah, I have one on my PC. I love that card. So all my stuff is all the way to there. It's a little messy, but been a little crazy. What?
Buy the magic card.
Oh yeah.
I have the Magikarp one.
Do you have Gyarados?
I do not have Gyarados, but I wanted the Rayquaza one. That one.
I have the Rayquaza as well.
Yeah, but they're so nice.
The McDonald's Squirtle is nice.
Oh, hell yeah.
The one that you got from DBZ.
Yeah.
I have one on my PC.
Yeah.
Dude, that card used to be like $300.
Brother.
Crazy.
Now it's like $4 grand. Do you have the Charmander?
No, we don't.
I have a bunch of those. I didn't bring them, but they're my PC. The Charmander is really sick too.
Yeah, that one went straight to her piece.
Babe, can you help me comp this? Yo, this one's got like a fart swirl. He literally like, look at the swirl under his butt.
Oh, yeah, I got a swirl.
Oh my god.
It's like a fart swirl, bro. You didn't bring your son today?
No, not today. Surfing.
He was really nice.
Thank you.
He let me use his hotspot because I have like no reception here.
Oh, bro.
I have the Howley reception.
Oh, man.
I've been trying to learn pigeon from my boys here.
I feel like, oh, I'm good. I'm like,
Doing pretty good.
Thank you, bro. This one's like 580. Yeah, that one's 580. This one is 330. I like this one. No, I like the way like it pops. Like the Pika pops like crazy. This one's really cute. This one's 450. Yeah. Do you want any ponchos at all? She said she has. You have
one.
Magikarp. I have sequential. Did you bring it with you or no?
No, I got home.
Okay. If you brought it, I would have let you trade, and then you could have gone with like a sequential set.
Wow.
But if you want any of these, let me know. This is a really cool set too. And this is a full Boss Pikachu set. It's like 14 grand. I think this is undervalued. These are cool. Have you seen these? It's Kyogre and Groudon, double prices.
Oh, had a Groudon and you got them at the end?
Yeah. They have like the cracked ice hollow. They're really sick.
Wait, is that the one that was being sold for?
Yeah, how much is that getting sold for?
This is 3,800 for these two.
Together?
3,800, yeah.
Okay, jumping.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
English is like 30K each.
We just saw
We
that.
saw the English one.
Because like pop 10 or like super low pop.
Yeah, I know. She had one of the girls up there had one.
On the Houston.
This one I got yesterday in a trade. This one is pop 69. Shining Tyranitar Japanese. This one's 15 grand. Let me know what you think. I even have more stuff over there, but what kind of Pokemon do you like? I can help you guide you.
Wait, it's looking. It's whatever.
Okay, cue cards.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's these. If you want, I can give you a number on those
So
total.
what are the numbers on these here, bro?
So we said, shoot, this was 580, I said, right? I think. This one was French. French was 450. I think I said 330 on this, right?
Yeah.
So 1360. That's on these three. Have you ever done a coin flip?
Yeah.
Yeah? I have a little coin.
Yeah, he's the worst one.
That's my coin. That's my GOATED PULLZ coin. That's my head. That's my tails. he's. I don't think I've lost to this guy with my coin yet. I always lose. He beats me. Are you 3-0 or 4-0?
I lost once. The first time you came down.
Are you 4-1 against me?
Yeah.
He's a degenerate. You know this guy, right?
Yeah, I know.
He's the great fisherman. Oh. All the way to there is mine. This Pikachu is really cool. It's rare. Has a swirl on top. That one's about like 300. Yeah, it hasn't sold since October. And lowest listed I think is like 600 bucks. I just picked that up like 2 hours ago.
I think we're at.
This is really sick. I'll put it for 300 for you. Are you a Pikachu collector? This one's really cute. And it's only like, I think like 170.
I think she has that.
This is really cute, the Sao Sao. Okay.
We have that.
You have this one, right? Okay.
Right there.
This is really cool.
So,
Anything with swirls.
I'm a huge swirl guy. I want a McDonald's swirl that has a swirl and a bubble gum part. That would be crazy.
whose
Okay.
stuff is this?
No, this is random.
Your shit?
Yeah. Have you seen these? These are cute. So the art connects on these. Do you see how the art connects? And these are sequential graded. They're like 150 each. It's a cool little set. Anything else? Do you have the Kanazawa Pikachu? This one? I love that one.
I think
That one's about 300. That one's really cute. There's also the little Poncho Charizard. That's like, I think, 1,600 or 1,500.
have that one, yeah.
Any other Pikachu?
Did I start to see this one?
That one's really pretty. I think it's like 200. I love the rainbow hollow on that. I have an English first edition of it, PSA 8. That one is a little more though.
Is it hard to find 10s in these?
Not that often, because I think it's from 1997, so it's a little bit.
Yeah.
I think it's beautiful though. This is one of my favorite Mew cards. I have this in in my personal collection. I have like 16 PSA 10s of this card.
They got those
Do you have this in a 10?
10, I think we got them.
English
I don't think English.
or Japanese?
Yeah, no Japanese.
Okay, Japanese is like 2.5K, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah.
The English is like 7-8 grand.
Yeah.
I have 16 of them.
You're crazy. I mean, you didn't do it.
So I collected like a lot of, Yu-Gi-Oh cards?
Yeah.
I collected Yu-Gi-Oh like crazy as a kid and stuff. And I had some Pokemon. And then like, I was like an Uber driver, DoorDash driver right until COVID hit. And then I went on unemployment. And then one night I was at my mom's place and my car got towed. So I went through my like Yu-Gi-Oh binder. And this is right when COVID hit. And I started like flipping my Yu-Gi-Oh cards on OfferUp, kind of like Craigslist and stuff. And then I got into Pokemon cards again and then just went crazy, started streaming and then built up to this.
You started getting all these.
Dude, it's like 5-6 years of just grinding. Literally from zero to like
What is the cheapest poncho you got yourself?
the cheapest poncho I have.
That you bought it before it.
Oh, like price wise, I want to say these were probably like 2K. Mario was like 4.5K back then.
That's crazy.
So now Mario's like 17K.
Hell yeah.
It's crazy. But from nothing to where I'm at, blessed. MMA, right? But yeah, I support my parents and just with this stuff.
That's awesome.
Thank you. I literally come here like 5 times a year. I love Hawaii.
Can we get this one?
Yeah, of course.
What is the price for that? You got PayPal?
I could take Zelle, Cash App, Venmo, or cash. This would be. I love this card. I like this more than the Japanese one because it has like the Cosmos hollow. Because the English one, it's just like a flatter, like regular star foil.
Not as pretty. Like,
Yeah, the Japanese one.
better, yeah.
This one is 220.
Let me pick the coin.
I'm gonna lose if you flip it. Do you have that?
How much does this go right now?
I could check. I think around 200. The English one's like 1,200, I think. This one is 220. Yeah, you're at 1880 so far.
1880?
Yes, sir. Do you have special delivery Pikachu?
Yeah.
I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can take Apple Pay too.
Apple Pay?
Yeah.
I can do Apple Pay. Just my
Or
bank
no,
account.
like it wouldn't. It's not like the click one. It's like you gotta send me like
I can send
Apple
you-
Cash.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's good, because I was going crazy, and then my bank was like acting. My bank
I
went
think
crazy.
that was too many things.
Yeah. I mean, we should be trying this though. How
Oh.
much everything on this?
This is 1880, brother. You want to flip?
16,000.
1600 2K?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yes, sir.
Let's do it, bro. You want him to flip?
Nah, fuck that.
Okay, okay. All right, boss. All right. Mr. Max, and what was your name?
Alessa.
Alessa. All right. Mr. Max and Miss Alessa are here, and we're gonna do a coin flip over the Dragonite, the Pikachu, beautiful French Pikachu, the German Pikachu with the little fart swirl, really cute card, and this really beautiful Spring Battle Road Pikachu. So these 5 beautiful slabs, coin flip 1600 or 2000. That's heads, that is tails. Okay? Call in the air. Call in the air, call in the air. Wherever it lands, okay? I'll throw it on the ground just to make it fair for you guys. You got it. Cooked me. Sheesh.
Max's pool!
Holloway pulls. Thank you. So when I went, I yelled GOATED PULLZ, but I lost. It's okay. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. What's up, brother?
How much is these ones?
That one, it's like 17,500. 17,500. Yes, sir.
This right here, you trade, flip, point flip.
Woo. Is that gold?
Yeah, that's like a
Holy.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Isn't that heavy? That looks heavy.
Throw one, let him throw one, let him.
Babe, that's gold. That's gold.
Let him throw one.
It's 80K.
All right, throw one.
Sure?
Let him throw one.
That's like some Trax NYC or Moses shit right there. Give me my fucking money!
Now you West Side, man. Now you, now you West Side.
Holy.
You want to put your one? You don't throw the dubs, buddy.
Why nice finest, bro? Why nice finest? Yes, sir. West side, best side.
You almost look like Vukom.
I was called Pokemon Vukom for a while.
I think to leave, I texted you, I was like, I gotta do a flip. Might as well make it double or nothing.
Hell yeah. Let's do it.
What's your name again?
Arvin.
Arvin?
Yeah.
Cannon.
Pleasure.
Like
Are
gold.
you friends with him or him? Or Brandon? Brandon's my boy.
No, it's like this.
I give you like, so 50 middle point, 0 or 100?
Can I flip?
Always down.
Sure. He's gonna flip for us. What was your name, Cannon?
Yeah, Cannon.
All right, Cannon, we're gonna flip with Cannon, 0 or 100. Throw it, baby.
I'm gonna throw over there.
Over here? Head.
Oh, holy shit. Fuck, I lost. All right.
Get milked!
Bro, fishermen can't throw.
He almost killed a kid.
Yeah, bro.
You know what?
You should gut punch him real quick. Fix him up a little bit. All right, cash please, baby. My pleasure, bro. Thank you. How's it going, boss? Good, how are you guys?
We're moving along slowly.
Hell yeah.
I think I talked to you. He's doing a trip challenge right now. He's trying to get some Moonbrian, right?
Okay.
This is the biggest card, and he has a little smaller cards. Would you be willing to take a look?
He has other cards too?
Yeah.
Sure. Why not, bro? Where was it? Is this for a trade?
Yeah.
Okay. So you just want to get as close as possible basically to a Moonbrion, right?
Yeah, pretty much. So that's the smaller stuff, and give it. Check that out. You traded Max?
I did a deal with Max, but yesterday I did a trade with his son.
Nice, man.
So market is 50 on this. This one is 540 right now, and this is 70. So that is 50 plus 540 plus 70. Market's like 660. Let's see if we can get you something cool. Oh,
If he did that, we'd probably freak out.
this is the Boto sandwich guy. Yeah, if he throws like maybe like 1,200 bucks on top, I'll do that.
Did you have that good today?
You want one card or multiple cards?
You want one bigger one?
One. That's downgrade. That's like 500. He's at 660. This one's between like 680 to 750. If you want, I'll do that for you. It's almost like a $50, $60 upgrade. Those are the comps. Last sold 750. Yeah, it's like a last auctions and eBay.
Let's just check it on the.
Oh, go ahead.
Yeah, we mainly use collectors, so.
Sure.
Collectors fun. Like it's pretty accurate.
Yeah, more. It's like between 10%. This is a lot more like liquid than all three combined. This is good, but like those two not as much. So, you want to sell?
No, I
Movie.
Yesterday's PS5, check today.
Yeah, PS5, PS8, PlayStation 8.
One day PS10.
PS10.
How much you offer here?
Cash?
They're all 660.
You don't have
Yeah.
this one, right?
And this is a very desirable card. You want to do it? What was your name? Sorry? Percy. Oh, that's cool, like Percy Jackson.
It's actually Perseus. That's
Oh,
the coolest
Perseus. That's a dope name. Can I show the camera? All right.
Give him.
Percy is going to give us Lycia's Appeal, the Mega Charizard from Evolutions, and the Kingdra PSA 9. Trade up for Rayquaza V from Evolving Skies PSA 10. Help the kids out. Hopefully that gets you closer to Moonbreon. But even if you don't get to Moonbreon, that's a very solid card to keep, to be honest, bro. I like that one more than the Rayquaza VMAX personally. The artwork's really good on that. Thanks, guys. Pleasure. My pleasure. I mean, I looked at a couple. Okay, let me see what the cards are, because half of them are bricks, like mega bricks.
No, but I did 50 on that. Agreed.
Is that his or?
His.
You want a cash, bro?
Well, what percent?
Okay, bricks.
I had the full set sequentially, and it's just not.
These are literally all bricks. This is the only decent card. They're all okay. These are basically only two decent cards. The rest are bricks,
So, value 12.
bro.
Bro, that's only $80.
This is brick siding, bro. I'll flip you 800, 850.
No, just give me 1,000.
No way. On bricks, you want 90%? That's insane.
9, just give me 9. Bro, I always give you freaking. I hooked you up the last time.
I'll do 850, 900 coin flip. That's my best. Cash. That's fair.
So you're just point flip him, but you won't point flip. No, I don't point flip.
You don't want to flip?
No.
Okay, 875 cash, no flip. Sure. All right, Card Freaks is back. He's giving me two decent cards, the Leafeons. Everything else is brick city galore. Brick. PSA 9 galore, baby. Brick. Maybe we'll buy that set from you. So that's 880 so far. Let me show the camera real quick. Which one's heads?
The Blasters.
Okay.
So 10-5, 10-7.
All right, what was your name, bro?
Jorge.
Jorge?
Jorge, yep.
All right, let's take these stickers.
What is yours?
Arvin.
Marvin. Good to meet you, man.
You too, boss. What? You're from Venezuela?
Maracaibo, yeah.
Oh, nice. She's from Colombia.
I know.
Maduro Pulse!
Everybody knows.
All right, everybody. All right, Nicholas, right? Wait, Jorge. Fuck. My brain's like Maduro right now, bro. All right, Jorge's gonna sell us the second 9.5 Luigi baby and full art poncho. We're gonna coin flip 10,500 or 10,700.
Flip or call?
You throw, I'll call.
Sounds good.
All right. Yeah.
Tails.
Throw on the wherever. Yeah, that's cool.
And a bounce, right?
Yeah. Give me Blastoise. GOATED PULLZ! Woo!
Colombia!
All right, can you Venmo him the 1900?